The incident of Karbala, a significant event in Islamic history, occurred on the 10th day of Muharram in the year 680 CE. It was a tragic and pivotal moment that shaped the course of the Muslim community forever. Imam Hussein ibn Ali, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad, along with his family and a small group of loyal companions, found themselves in the desert plains of Karbala, in present-day Iraq. They were confronted by the forces of the Umayyad Caliph Yazid, led by his commander, Umar ibn Sa'd. The confrontation arose due to the political tensions and a dispute over the rightful leadership of the Muslim community. Despite facing a vastly outnumbered and ill-equipped force, Imam Hussein refused to pledge allegiance to Yazid, as he believed in standing up against injustice and defending the principles of Islam. On the day of Ashura, the 10th of Muharram, the forces of Yazid attacked the camp of Imam Hussein. The Imam and his companions bravely fought, but they were overwhelmed, and most of them were martyred, including Imam Hussein. The tragedy of Karbala deeply moved the Muslim world and ignited a spirit of resistance against oppression. The survivors, including Imam Hassan's sister Zainab, were taken captive and paraded through various cities to Damascus, where they were presented before Yazid. Zainab delivered a powerful sermon, exposing the cruelty of Yazid's regime and reaffirming the message of justice and resistance. The incident of Karbala is commemorated annually during the month of Muharram by Muslims, particularly the Shia sect, with mourning processions and recitations to remember the sacrifices made by Imam Hussein and his followers. The lessons of Karbala continue to inspire millions of people worldwide to stand up against tyranny, uphold righteousness, and seek social justice. The tragic event of Karbala remains a potent reminder of the timeless struggle between right and wrong, and its impact on the Muslim community's consciousness remains indelible to this day.